Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone supports AR emoji and you have the latest one UI. This matters because older builds lack key creation tools. Once done, open the camera app, tap More, then AR emoji. Grant permissions so the tool can map your face. You'll then choose Create My Emoji and take a clear selfie or pick a template. This first step establishes facial geometry, which the system uses to match expressions and skin tones accurately as you customize. Now you customize. Change face shape, skin tone, hairstyle, eye color, and facial hair so the avatar reflects you. Make deliberate choices. Sliders give subtle control while presets speed up selection, because consistent settings help later when the avatar animates. Add accessories like glasses or hats and use the color pickers to match clothing or brand colors. Once you're happy, save the emoji set and use Preview to test smiles, blinks, and head turns so animations will look natural in chats and recordings. Finally, use and export your avatar. Open Samsung Keyboard, tap emoji then sticker to send AR emoji PNGs or GIF in messages, or record AR emoji videos from camera for social posts. You can also export sticker packs to supported apps. Make sure apps allow media access. If the avatar doesn't track well, troubleshoot by improving lighting, removing hats or glasses, and keeping the camera at eye level. If problems persist, recreate the emoji with a fresh, well-lit selfie to recalibrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.